At the Episcopal Commission for Catechesis and Catholic Education, we look up to two great figures in the Church. The first one is the servant of God, Pope John Paul II, and the second one is our very own Archbishop Leonardo Legaspi. From the late Pope John Paul II, we received the Catechism of the Catholic Church, and from Archbishop Leonardo Legaspi, we received the Catechism for Filipino Catholics, which has been translated into Katekismo para sa Katolikong Pilipino. These are two very important tools in the work of catechesis in the Philippines. And through the efforts of Archbishop Legaspi, we have also received the approval of the Holy See for the Directory for Catechesis in the Philippines, for catechetical ministry in all the dioceses of the Philippines. And all the materials available have been prepared by my predecessor in the commission, and I am standing on the shoulders of Archbishop Legaspi and on the generosity, on the kindness of heart of Pope John Paul II. Right now, what we are doing is the formation of our catechetical directors, catechetical ministers, formators, so that the materials that are available can cascade to the dioceses, to the parishes, to the barangay chapels, to our BECs. Recently, we have also started the Association of Catechetical Centers and Colleges with Religious Education, also called ACRE. We have formed them into an association in order to upgrade the standards of our catechetical centers in view of upgrading our ministry to our youth, to our children, to our adults in great need of catechesis. At the ECHE, we continue to dream. We dream of a renewed church. We dream of a truly evangelized church, not just a sacramentalized church, a church that has received the good news, a church that is ready to share the good news. Every Christian is a catechist, and we have received this mission on the day of our baptism. And we look forward to a bright future with all the seeds that have been sown by the servant of God, Pope John Paul II, and by our very own Archbishop Leonardo Legaspi. We have great hopes that the seeds will grow and bear fruit abundantly, not only in the future but even now.